You're watching the Hog Brothers Garage YouTube channel. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to a prototype of a tool that I come up with. I got it patented, and I'm thinking about producing it. And this is just a rough prototype, but it's called the Lone Pig 7000. It's a tool for a mechanic, auction place, somewhere where you're starting old cars, or great for barn finds, field find cars, farm tractors, anything with a coil. Willie Blaze here. We're in the Hog Brothers Garage to introduce you to a tool that you never knew you wanted, but always needed. It's the Lone Pig 7000. I sawed this board in half. Why? Because I never owned a boat. Last time I sawed a boat in half, neighbor called the cops on me. Something about wanton destruction of property. Are you tired of running a million wires trying to get your barn find or field find car to run? Well, worry no more. The amazing Lone Pig 7000, the finest automotive tool known to mankind. The Lone Pig 7000. The amazing Lone Pig 7000. It slices. It dices. It purees. Yum. It'll even make the best bologna sandwich you've ever eaten. Man, that's delicious. I know you're asking yourself, how can we offer the greatest automotive tool ever made for so cheap? Maybe you're asking yourself, why do you keep hitting your hand with that hammer? Well, my dad always said my brain was like a BB in a 5-gallon bucket. I don't know what that means exactly, but Mama said it meant I was really smart. The Lone Pig 7000 has an on switch, a starter button, a coil switch. But wait, there's more. Act within the next hour and we'll throw in a free fuel pump switch and fan switch at no extra charge. Just covers shipping and handling. Every Lone Pig 7000 is hand assembled in the great United States of America by me. In the finest, most high-tech factory the world has ever seen, right in America's backyard. The amazing Lone Pig 7000 is perfect for in the garage, in the field, on the farm. The Lone Pig 7000 is so good, you can start a van down by the river. How much would you expect to pay for the most amazing automotive tool ever made? $1,000? Nope. $500? Nope. Act now and you can own the Lone Pig 7000. Not for $300, not for $200. The limited time deal, you can own it for $149.99. That's right. 5 easy payments of $29.95 and the Lone Pig 7000 can be yours. Order within the next hour and we'll throw in a free built-in charger, voltage meter. Order within the next 10 minutes and we'll throw in a free GPS speedometer. You can check us out on the internet at www.lonepig7000.com, or you can call us at 1-85555-LONE-PIG. The amazing Lone Wolf Brothers Garage. Willie Blaze here. Used you a tool that you never knew you wanted, but Willie Blaze here. A tool that you never knew you wanted. Last time I owned a boat, I sawed this board in half. Why? Because I don't own a boat. I sawed this board in half. Why? Because I needed 2 boards. Why? Because I sawed this boat in half. Cut a boat in half. Because I needed 2 boards. Because I needed 2 boards. Why else would you saw a board in half? Why else would you saw a board in half? I sawed this boat in half. Can you see me in it all right? I'd have that thing flipped up.
Yeah.
Are you tired of running a million wires? Turn around.
Why? I mean, okay.
Because you can't be like just starting to laugh.
I wasn't.
I don't know. Find or field car find. Well, worry no more. Willie Blaze here. to introduce you in the Hog Brothers garage to introduce you to a tool you never needed but always wanted. Willie Blaze here to introduce you to a tool you never needed but always wanted. Willie Blaze here to introduce you. Willie Blaze here in the Hog Brothers garage to introduce you to a tool you never needed but always wanted. Oh, man. Willie Blaze here to introduce you to a tool you never needed but always wanted. Come on, why can't I get it right?